Termina ball. Pass to Mr. Tahon. Back to Mr. Gulamat. Pass to steal by number 4. Pass by Mr. Zolaiba. 2 points by Mr. Zolaiba. Pass to Mr. Roble. To Mr. Roble K. Counter power for rep. Number Veles. To Zolaiba. Zolaiba harassed by Mr. number 22. 2 points by Mr. Fight of the team. To Mr. Roblique. Mom! Grabe ka, Idol! What a nice pass! Nagmawalali! Sumakay ka pa sa aeroplano. Pass to Mr. Tahot. Tahot to the ball. Harassment 3 people. To Mr. Roble. To Mr. number 32. Yes sir, 2 points. Oh, reset. Okay, pass to Mr. number 11, Gabas. 2 points by Mr. Gabas. Mr. number 22, pass to Mr. Roble. Wow, no good. No good pa rin. To Zolaiba, with a fake to Veles. Yes sir, 2 points. Pass to Mr. number 11, no good. Veles, pass to Mr. number 11, nagmamadali. Wow, steal by Mr. Veles. Pass break. Easy 2 points by Mr. Balingit. Mr. Laurete, number 20, Laureta, Sumarok. Grabe, bagong pasok, counted foul lang yan. Mark Barrett. Tumira ball to Mr. number 22, tumira ng 3. Laureta, tumira ng 3. No good, rebound by Mr. Gabas. Pass to Mr. number 4, Gabas ulit, tumira ng 3. No good, rebound by Mr. Haingit. 2 points by Mr. Number 22, nagmamadali. Layup, 2 points by Mr. number 20. Back to Mr. Zolaiba, back to Mr. Laureta, no good. Nakuha ni Mr. Laureta. Foul. Who's foul rep? Personal foul ka, Mr. Roble. 13 fouls. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Fourth quarter niya. Simula na ang laban. Gabas ang itagapasan. 10 to shot na lang. To Mr. Dignos. Wow! 2 points by Mr. Dignos. Mr. Polido. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Mr. Carrera. 3 points by Mr. Carrera. 5 seconds shot lang. 3, 2. Mr. number 11, Carrera nagmamadali. It's a red counter foul. Mr. Carrera nagmamadali. Kinakarera ang basketballan. No good. Rebound by Mr. Rodriguez. 2 points by Mr. Rodriguez. Veles, dribbling the ball. Harassed by Mr. Pulido. Veles. No good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Pass to Mr. Carrera. Easy 2 points by Mr. Carrera. Mr. Veles. Dalawa laban sa isa. 2 points by Mr. Gabas. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2 points by Miss. 10 to shoot na lang. Tumira na 3. Yes sir, ilista mo na yan. Luka, dribbling na ball to Mr. Balingit. With the body shot, wala ka na lot. To Mr. 2 points by Mr. Balingit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2 points by Mr. Roble.
Kulang ilang line up, kulang ilang line up.
Yata kung mga strapil, maklaro mo kayo.
Laro ka ito. Pwede ito, laro ito. Kaya grip mo ba?
Power kita lang, wala po niyangan. Laro ka strapil eh.
Kulang ilang line up.